Hello friends, today's topic is, will Pakistan open second front in case of India-China war? This is anyone's guess, but one thing is clear, that the tension on the border is with full swing. Very war-like situations, vulnerable and volatile. But the interesting point is, if there is a war between India and China, what Pakistan will do it? Will take part? Will open second front? This is the question. I would share my views on both the sides, pros and cons. First, if Pakistan opens second front, then why? What are the factors leading to enforcing Pakistan to open second front? First thing is that Ladakh is not far off from LOC. Maybe Islamabad hundreds of kilometers. But LOC dividing Pakistan and India is hardly 3-4 kilometers. So war knocking your door, how can you save your face? Second aspect is, even if suppose Islamabad is hundreds and hundreds of kilometers away from Ladakh, but strategic concern which involves Pakistan is not far away. Strategically, Pakistan is very much involved into the conflict between India and China. There is no doubt on that. Third aspect is a major aspect of revoking Article 370 by India. This has brought both China and India together because both of them are equally worried. Why? The revoking Article 370 has given formal right to India to claim whole of Kashmir. Whole of Kashmir means what? Whole of Kashmir means a former northern area consisting of Baltistan and Gilgit. Then POK area, Pakistan occupied Kashmir area, what they call it Azad Kashmir. And moreover, Aksai Chin is also the part of Kashmir. It was the part of princely states of Jammu and Kashmir under Raja Hari Singh. So both of them are equally worried. 370 revocation has brought both of them together. China is much worried. Some people have the opinion, some people say that revoking Article 370 is the major cause of conflict on the border between India and China. Why China is so much worried? Worried is because Aksai Chin is strategically very significant in favor of China. On Aksai Chin, Xinjiang state is there, Muslim dominating state. Aksai Chin, Tibet is there, Buddhist dominating state of, autonomous state of China. Moreover, 3 major projects worldwide, billions and dollars of projects like Economic Corridor, like Karakoram Highway, like Belt and Road, all 3 projects have access to Pakistan from Aksai Chin, from POK. If suppose India succeeds to block China, if suppose India succeeds to get Aksai Chin back, as today India has the formal right to do it, what will happen to Xinjiang state, Tibet, to the major projects? That will hammer India's hardcore interest. So is the reason China perhaps has come down to border and in full tensions. So 317 revocation may bring Pakistan, China together to fight together against India. Then another factor is that revenge factor. Pakistan has lost all the wars in the past against India. Now this is the rare opportunity for Pakistan to take revenge from India. At least one win Pakistan would definitely like. If not fighting alone against India, may fight along with China and to get a win. So Pakistan is eager to have some kind of test of win if takes part in the war. Another factor is 1971, India humiliated Pakistan very badly. At least prisoner of war factor. 1 lakh military force, unprecedented in the history, had surrendered to India. This is a major reason for Pakistan's humiliation. So Pakistan would like to boost morale of armed forces, which was badly hurt in 1971. One more major factor is, if suppose a war, and suppose imagine Pakistan wins the war, Pakistan will get whole of Kashmir. In the present day, India will back to Pakistan. Moreover, there is a strong anti-China protest, China atmosphere in Pakistan. And plus, Pakistan is having big problem of economic crunch. So if Pakistan takes part into the war, Pakistan may be able to divert public opinion from economic crunch as well as anti-China atmosphere inside Pakistan. And last one is the parity with India. Pakistan has always the dream to equalize itself with India as regards strategic part is concerned. So, if suppose India wins, Pakistan wins the war, that would be the dream of Pakistan. May happen, will not happen. But suppose win it, then we'll settle parity with India. So these are the certain factors may insist Pakistan to open second front in favor of China and to fight along with China. Now, I will share my views. If Pakistan does not open second front, then why? The major reason is fear of USA. India is friendly to USA. China is enemy of USA. In this situation, if Pakistan will take part into the war, definitely that will anger America. And China is aware of the cost of Pakistan will have to pay in case America is angry. America is not happy with Pakistan. Second condition is Pakistan is already economically very poor now, economic crunch like. And in case of war, that will multiply, that will linger economic crunch. Pakistan will have to make further expenses for the war. Where is the money? But where from money will come for the war? And so these are the factors that Pakistan may not take part into the war for economic factor or for USA factor, and moreover cultural factor. Culturally, India, China are deeply close to each other. That civilization, the history, the culture, the music, the literature, the art, all walks of life as regards culture is concerned, both of them sitting on the same boat. Mohenjo-daro is there, Harappa is there, Guru Nanak Sahib Gurdwara is there. Here also many masjids where Pakistan love to come down to India. Many hundreds and hundreds of Pakistani and Indians are crossing border to meet each other, their relations, talking in the same term. Wherever you go, USA or Europe or West Asia, you will see Pakistanis are very, very friendly to each other. Only they are enemy here in India and Pakistan, but away from here, both of them are the friends. This is a fact you also must have realized many times. Then another factor is, there is no doubt, very strong anti-China atmosphere is there in Pakistan. People do not like China. China and Pakistan, if at all they are all-weather friend, only because of trade and economic factor, only because of the strategic factor. But as a matter of fact, India and Pakistan are all-weather friend, which brings both of them together, man-to-man relationship, and human relationship last long than any economic relationship and strategic relationship. So anti-India, anti-China atmosphere is very strong in Pakistan. Pakistan people would not like that its government to fight against India for one or the other regions. And that today India no doubt are hostile. Today no doubt Pakistans are hostile to each other. But if suppose Pakistan takes part in the war and tomorrow war would be over, still India would be here only. Still Pakistan, India are friends, are neighbors to each other. But that India would be more hostile than what India is hostile today. Hostility definitely would be multiplied. So Pakistan will prefer today's India rather than more hostile India in future. If there is something problem between India and India and Pakistan, will China come down to support Pakistan all the times? It's not possible. And moreover, whatever war has been taken place so far between India and China, no doubt Pakistan has lost the war. But Pakistan has the lesson. Why Pakistan losing all the wars? Pakistan should not again go for a war-like atmosphere there in Pakistan itself. So these are the major factors that Pakistan may get insisted, may get enforced to involve itself into the war. So why will not Pakistan take part into the war, and why Pakistan will take into the war? Both the sides, pros and cons, I have shared my views. If suppose Pakistan does not take part into the war, definitely India will have better respect for Pakistan at its heart. India will have the feeling that yes, at the bad time when China attacked India, Pakistan did not support China, and indirectly it is a support to India. So China is not that much bad for India as used to be, or India used to have this kind of feeling. So for better future, Pakistan may decide not to have war against India for China. So these are the factors that I wanted to share with you. And here is the conclusion of my video. Thank you so much.